In this video, we will see how to add phone number to your Facebook account. If you want to add your phone number, contact number to your Facebook profile account, then here are the process. Open Facebook on your desktop or mobile app, and here click on your profile icon from the top right corner. And here choose settings and privacy. Click on it. Here click on settings. Thereafter, from the left side of under settings and privacy, under account center, go to personal details. Here from the left side of menu bar, go to personal details, click on it. Here you will find your contact info, click on it. Here click on add new account, and here click on add mobile number, and choose first your country code. Click on change and choose your country code from the available country codes. Click on it and click on save. Enter your mobile number here, and scroll down and choose account for this number. Click on your Facebook account and click on next. A confirmation code has been sent to your mobile number. Enter confirmation code. We sent a text message with your confirmation code to this mobile number. Enter confirmation code here and click on next, and follow on screen instruction. Your contact number on your Facebook profile successfully added to your profile account. That's all.